You see, I want more speed QB, more speed gameplay. It's way more entertaining to watch. I want more speed QB. Now before I get into this video, I wanted to quickly thank Chaos, aka Chaos X Silencer, or Jimmy, for all the help recently in helping my channel reach out to the gamers out there. We're now at 55,000 subscribers, and that number just keeps growing and growing, and that's all in thanks to him. A lot more is coming hopefully between our channels, but now I want to show off some of my gameplay. And this comes from my stay at the High Ground CQB Arena in Spring, Texas, as the 2017 Airsoft Summer Palooza event was in full swing. Newer teams are really trying to show off now with me in the arena with a camera in my hand. And I know the guys at Nice Guys Airsoft are ready to show me some of that speedsoft action. So let's see how they do in a game of download. This game is very easy to understand. Each team gets a laptop, and if you can open up your laptop in the center of the arena, then you'll be in control, as long as the opposing team's laptop is shut. Be the only team with the laptop open at the end of the game, and you'll win. It's red team versus green team, so let's see how this goes down.
Go.
Going with you.
What? I'm Shit happens. It's okay, shit happens.
Thank you.
I got that.
Can't blind fire.
Yeah.
This is awkward. Hey, look.
I'll get you.
Do you want to parlay?
What's that?
You want to parlay? I'll walk back and you walk back.
Oh, sorry, dude.
Hit. I didn't realize, man.
Okay, go back up.
All right, I'm going back. You got it. You got it.
Oh, shit. What the fuck?
We were in the same
Oh, you're right there.
Look right there. Oh! I can see his freaking teammates walking. Come on, good shot. Excellent.
My bad. Go.
Now with download finished, let's get into one more game of King of the Hill before wrapping this up. Just take down the enemy's flag and raise your own, hold it, and win.
Hold right.
Draw. Lift your mat. Go ahead. Move up. Honey. I'm a lefty. We're good here. Okay, go down. Watch yourself.
They're flanking left. shot.
Hit. Okay. Cool.
Oh, hit! Nice shot, nice shot.
Take it easy. Hit!
No, bend, go by the way.
That man walking through!
Dead man walking.
Hit. Yeah.
You good?
That wasn't me.
Have I mentioned yet how much I love coming here? These games are insane to film. I feel like I'm in a Lamb of God mosh pit whenever I'm trying to land a few of these shots. Playing at high ground is definitely a crazy thrill, and I hope you enjoyed watching my gameplay from here. But I have one more gameplay from the 2017 Summer Palooza event coming up, so be sure to stay tuned, or if you're new to my channel, then be sure to subscribe for more content like this and a whole lot more. But until that next video drops from the city of San Antonio, this has been Scott Holmdeck, and I will be sure to see you all next time.
Mike, that's the corner. You got one cat corner to me. Keep still firing through there. Yeah, I got one across from this side.
One gas station. Peeking.
Did you get him?
No.
You know?
Peeking 1 o'clock from gas station.
My bad, bro.